excited to introduce you to the remote ID detail of the ACSL Soten, a cutting-edge drone designed to meet the latest regulatory standards and enhance operational efficiency. The integration of the remote ID module in the Soten is a testament to ACSL's commitment to innovation and safety. By complying with FAA regulations and utilizing the latest Bluetooth technology, FAA compliance is automated, convenient, and transparent, making your life easier and safer. All critical components are manufactured in non-adversary countries, as the ACSL Soten is equipped with a Bluetooth-based, FAA-approved, built-in, standard remote ID module that is NDAA compliant. This module ensures that the drone meets the standards outlined in the ASTM F3411-22A broadcast standards, which is crucial for compliance with national regulations. The aircraft's built-in remote ID module utilizes Bluetooth 4.0 and 5.0 technologies to broadcast vital information about the aircraft, including the drone's unique identity, current location, and status. Thank you so much for joining us today. We invite you to explore the ACSL Soten further and see how it can revolutionize your drone operations and make them compliant, safe, and functional. Visit floridadronesupply.com to order yours today, and don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth content. If you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call at 855-8-DRONES. As always, I'm Jordan with Florida Drone Supply. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your flight.